I'm packing my wedding cake for a style photo shoot, and I wanted to show you how I do that using my cake safe. But because my cake is a dummy cake and it's for a style photo shoot, I'm not going to use the metal rod that goes through all the layers of my cake. Instead, I'm going to use a piece of foam. I'll use just very simple toothpicks to fix my cake and prevent it from moving on all sides. In this way, I know when it's going to be delivered, nothing is going to happen to my cake. And yes, my cake is taller than a cake safe, so instead of using a whole cover, I'm going to use cellophane wrap to protect my cake from melting under the rain. I placed a few bamboo skewers a little bit higher than my cake. And that's it. I'm going to take my cake with me in a cake safe, well protected from anything that might happen during the delivery. Let's do the shake test.